Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lakshmi Devi from Dublin. Today I am excited to share with you one of Dublin's hidden gems, the stunning Botanical Garden. As you stroll through the gates, you will feel like you have entered into heaven. With over 47 acres to explore, you will discover a world of natural beauty and wonder. I was so impressed that I returned for another visit. Okay, now let's start with the history. Did you know that these gardens have been around since 1795? They were originally created by Royal Dublin Society to study and grow plants for medicinal and agricultural purposes. Now, let's talk about the glass houses. Oh, the glass houses. They are like stepping into a tropical paradise. The farmhouse is a must see. It's one of the oldest and largest glass houses in Europe. As you go through the gardens, you will come across an incredible collection of over 15,000 plant species. From the vibrant rose garden to fragrant herb garden, there is something for every nature lover. But it is not just about the plants. The gardens are also home to some amazing art installations and sculptures. Throughout the year, the gardens host all sorts of events and activities from guided tours and workshops. But be sure to check out their website to see what's happening during your visit. If you ever find yourself in Dublin, do yourself a favor and visit the Botanical Garden. Trust me, you will enjoy a lot. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you all and love you all.